first I'm going to take the back half of my hair and put that into 2 sections and then moisturize them separately. I'm using Cantu's leave-in conditioner first, and I'm going to just moisturize that and work that through this first half of my hair. Next, I'm going make sure you work it on your ends. Always concentrate a lot on your ends. That's the oldest part of your hair. Next, I'm just going to seal in that leave-in with some Jamaican black castor oil, and I'm also going to work it into my ends as well. The products I'm going to be using for each twist are Shea Moisture's coconut, hibiscus lime, the Smoothie, and then Miss Jessie's the coily curl cream or something like that. Next, I'm going to work each product through what's going to be each individual twist. I go in with the Smoothie first, and then Mr. Jessie's coily custard. You're going to want to make sure you detangle each separate piece with the brush, and then I also go behind that with the wide tooth comb just to make sure I can get out as many tangles as possible. Now you're going to start at the top with a smaller section, and you want to split that section into halves. Next, I just take my right side and go over my left, and you want to make sure you continue going the exact way down, if that makes sense. So if I started with my right going over my left, I continue going down that twist with my right going over my left, and I really hope that makes sense. And it's going to feel like you're braiding. Like every time you go down, you should grab a little bit of hair as you go down. And nextly, as I get closer to the ends, I just put more product on my ends because you know that's the oldest part of your hair. And then I even take a rat tail comb and smooth it out just to make sure no knots are out. And that really helps when you take out any twist or any hairstyle, because your ends also curl up like the rest of your hair. Next, I'm going to take that middle section of my hair, I guess you can say, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did. I already went in with my leave-in and the Jamaican black castor oil, so now I'm just going to separate them and do the individual twists. And I'll also do these straight down like my first section that I did in the back. And then I'm going to go in for each individual twist and put both products that I'm using on my hair. Guys, I have finished my back 2 layers. The ones in the middle are kind of big. I didn't realize how big they were, but I really was not trying to make them smaller. And like I said, I'm pressed for time, so it's gonna be what it is. All right, this is the finished look. Oh my goodness, this probably took me like an hour and I rushed. The finished look, y'all. It is, oh my gosh, they feel, and it is so hype because like they never hang this low. Like usually when I do them, they be like hanging like up here. Alright, and next all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this oil and I'm going to use it to oil my scalp. Like edge toothbrush and comb. I got this from my local beauty supply store, as well as this bigger jug of Eco Style gel. Alright, now you cannot judge me because I know I'm looking crazy, but it is the second day after I've done my twists, and I'm going to take them out. Okay? Because I know people was looking at me crazy yesterday. I'm tired of wearing wigs. I'm just ready to let my hair hang out. Alright, so let's get to it. When taking out your twists, you always want to make sure that you put some type of oil or moisturizer on them. I'm just using my Jamaican black castor oil from earlier. I use that for everything. When you are taking out your twists, you want to make sure that you are very careful. It looks like I am being like I'm just taking them apart any kind of way, but this part of the video is sped up. But you do want to take your time. I normally start by twisting it the opposite way that it was twisted, so that the hair will naturally start to untwist by itself. Just because I know that at the end of my twist, I always twirl it around my finger. So to make sure that you don't basically just pull your hair apart, I just start to twist it the opposite way of when I twist it, and the twist will start to unravel anyway. And then as you go, you just want to gently pull like piece by piece as it comes from up under the twist. It's the same as taking out braids. You just want to make sure that you're very careful because you don't want to disrupt the curl pattern. Like, I am loving it. But now I gotta kind of like, try to tame it right quick so that it don't look too crazy. Like, yeah, we like wild hair, but we want it wild but tame. You know what I mean? Especially in the back, because like where I had those parts, I really want to fluff that out. This side came out like really, really good, and this side is like super crazy. Here I'm just applying Eco Style gel to my edges. I ran out of edge control, so I'm just using Eco Style gel. Then I'm just smoothing it with a brush. When I wear my hair in a fro, I don't concentrate a lot on my edges because they're going to be hidden. That is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this helps whenever you try to do a flat twist out tutorial. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and definitely look out for other videos on the way. And as always, thank you for watching.